not happy, you're not living life, guys. Surprisingly, it's not that cold out today, which is really good. Starting the day off, got my nice little package for you guys here and a fresh Gerb production sticker. If you guys are interested in any of these or Never Stop Wrenching one, I'm going to throw a link down below in my description so you can check that out and support your homie Gerb. The SI chilling right here. This thing is so dirty. Look at this. I know I get a lot of comments. You guys are always like, oh, dude, you got to, like, you know, do something with your engine, clean it up. And I plan on taking everything off. I want to take my manifold off, get it ported and polished, and I'm going to get my valve cover done, probably either red or another color. So I think that'll definitely look good. The struggle is like trying to find a spot to just... The one advantage, look at this, sap. You gotta love the pine trees. I gotta do something.
That's a disadvantage.
One disadvantage, I gotta get like a car cover for this thing, or like, I wanna get a tent. I know a lot of you guys said like, dude, get a tent, and I do plan on it. I'm just kind of doing research right now and stuff, but I'm trying to figure out where to put this baby right here. I'm thinking like, I was gonna do in the middle, but I don't really like it in the middle, but I think it would look sick, like...
I don't think that would look good.
Well, where would you...
Where
do you guys...
I think in the middle.
Guys, help me out. I need to figure out where to put this. You know what? I'm going to hold off on this. Drop a comment down below. Let me know where I should put this. Gotta grab some tools here. I'm only going to need... I'm going to need like a 10 mil extension. And I think that's it. Honestly, this should be a really easy install. Let's see if this will, because we're gonna have to take off. We're gonna have to take this off right here. And yeah, that should be good for the bracket. All right, let's do a little unboxing for you guys right here. We got the nice little package. What is in the package? What is in the package? Oh my goodness. Dude, I cannot wait to put these on right now. I've always wanted yellow in the setup. If you stand back here, look at that. Like, whether it's fog lights or just daytime running lights, which are what these are, this is gonna look so good. I can't wait. A lot of you guys said that this pretty much, like, in bad weather, you know, whether it's rain or whatever, it lights up the whole road. So I'm dying to try this out right now. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick little install. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is like the easiest thing you guys can do. So
I'm talking about the fog lights.
No, I said I wanted fog lights.
Yeah, what are you gonna put, just one?
I was like, all right, let's go ahead and tear into this thing when literally has a tab right here. Look at that. Apparently, stock bulbs. Dude, I'm gonna try these out tonight. Hopefully it doesn't snow too much either, guys. They're talking like another 4 to 8 inches of snow, like just when I thought the weather was gonna be good, and I'm out ripping this thing, it's gonna just turn to crap again, so really sucks. All right, so if you didn't already know, these bulbs right here are the 9005s, and those are gonna be for your daytime running lights right here. So this one is literally super easy, guys. All you have to do is get the bulb right back in here, right? So right here where my hand is, you're gonna twist it, just like so. And right there is the stock crap one right there. So we're gonna unplug it from the connector right here. If it'll come out.
If you can get it.
Well, it's just corroded. And all right, found my bulb grease right here. I mean, it does help in a way, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna put some on like so. All right, let's put our new bulb in. All right, bring them in. Look at that. Got the new yellow bulb in there, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a comparison really quickly. Let me tell you right now, these are definitely way nicer looking than stock. We got the first JDM yellow light bulb in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the second one. For this side, all we need to do to get to the daytime running light, it's literally right in that crevices right there. So I need to remove the battery tie down, and I'm gonna slide upwards on the coolant reservoir tank, and then we can get our hand back there and replace that one. So if you guys are wondering if you need to take your bumper off, you do not need to take your bumper off, guys. The only time you need to take your bumper off is when you're replacing pretty much the whole headlight assembly itself. So let's get this last Nokya bulb in. So for the tie down, guys, that's gonna be a 10 mil. You're gonna need a deep socket for that right here. Let's go ahead and break these free. Next, we're gonna remove the back one. So you just unplug this piece right here, the plastic, and the tie down will be in the back, guys. And these are both 10 millimeters. So we're just gonna move the tie down off to the side right here, like that. Make sure it doesn't touch the terminal, because you will get like a spark and stuff. So next, we're going to, I think we need to remove this piece right here, this piece of trim. So, all right, guys, officially unplugging the, I slid it upwards, got the coolant res right here. So I'm gonna gently, place this off to the side right here. Just have somebody give you a hand holding it if you want, but all you need to do is slide upwards on this bracket right here and the whole thing will come off. It's gonna be right there. So you're gonna literally twist that out of the socket and then disconnect the sensor off of that, and then we can put the new bulb in. All right, that one's out. Damn, dude, the stock ones look shot.
Have they ever been changed?
I don't know. I think I replaced them once. Take our bulb grease, put a little bit right on the connector here, make sure it's kind of keeps it safe from like corrosion and crap. Okay, this one I'm gonna turn the car on and just look down there. Just make sure it's lit up, G, alright?
Okay.
Well, not turn the car on.
Can I touch it?
Huh?
Can I touch it?
Is it on?
Yeah.
Alright, bulbs are installed. Started the car, tested everything out. Okay. Just connect this hose back through here like so. We're gonna slide it right onto that bracket. Alright guys, reservoir tank is on. A lot of you guys said it was hard to slide the res tank, but it's literally just a bracket in the back, and you just slide it, you line it right up, stick one hand down here, push it forward, and you should be able to line it up. It's super simple. So everything is installed. I gotta, except for the battery tie down, I gotta do that, and then I can't wait till the nighttime so I can test these bad boys out. So hopefully they work as good as everybody says. Getting super cold out. It's actually getting ready to snow. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's just a crazy overcast. So I gotta finish everything up before it gets to that time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little JDM light install thing. So if you did, shoot me a like, drop a comment down below on what you think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. As you guys can see, I know it is super hard to see these right now, but this literally does not do any justice, guys. These lights are so bright that I can see all the way down to the end of my driveway on the embankment. It's crazy. So those are the high beams right there. Super satisfied with my purchase, guys. If you're thinking about getting these, you need to get some. I'll drop the link down below.